Let's start with a new composition and change the resolution. Now let's add a simple line. Change the length to 800. On the stroke panel, increase the width to 80. Change the cap style to round. Go back to shape. And let's add a deformer. We want the oscillator. On the oscillator, let's increase the strength to 800. 0 to the stagger. Change the time mode to minutes and the frequency to 10. On the deformer panel, we need to flag the use normal, and let's put the number of waves to 1. Here is the result so far. In order to make the line smoother, we need to add a new deformer. So let's go back to the basic line. On the deformer tabs, on the deformers tab, let's add a subdivide. As you can see, the composition is now much smoother. What we need now is to change the colors. In order to do that, we should go on the right. On the scene panel, we need to click the 3 points and load from library, Cavalry. We should now introduce a new node, which is the gradient shader. On the gradient shader, click on the first point on the left and connect the light green to the gradient panel. Select the second point and connect the blue violet to the panel. We can change the gradient mode, HSV interpolation long path, and finally we can connect to the basic line shader, connect to the index, and here we are.